Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your man Wax Official. Go ahead, hit the like button for me. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. And you see that? Hit that bell notification too. It lets you be notified about all posts. Now in today's video, I could be talking about the Mustang GTD. I'm going to talk about that later because you guys, I really don't think you guys get what that car is. A lot of you guys are saying that it's a Mustang, blah, blah. Guys, Ford is just carrying the name. Yes, it's technically a Mustang. It's the GT3 car that's legal on the street. I'm just going to leave it at that. So in this next video, we're getting in about the S650 Mustang. Oh, the numbers are out. It dynoed. It dynoed at 420 to the wheels. Oh. So first of all, guys, this car did not dyno at 420. I'll leave the video in the description, but it dynoed at 408. And yes, they did some technicals because it is a convertible and doesn't rev as high because of the rev limiter, supposedly. We don't know. We haven't driven this car. And they did a guesstimate that it's around 420 to the wheels. So we didn't even see 420 on the dyno. It was 408. Look, everybody's getting excited. Guys, why are we getting excited? The stock 2018 Mustang GT dynoed at 415 to the wheels. So what are you getting excited for? What the f? I'm not impressed with those numbers at all. Are you guys impressed with that? If you are, please tell me why you're impressed. And please tell me why you guys are getting so excited. Or if you're not, please tell me why. I would like to know myself. But what I'll go ahead and say is what I want to see from this car before I can get any level of excitement, I need to see this car's quarter mile time. I need to see it be quicker than a 12.1 on the quarter mile. If it's not, it's slower than the S650, I'm convinced. Which I doubt Ford is going to do that, but guys, I'm not going to get excited for those numbers. Are you kidding me? 5 horsepower bump? That is not impressive. The torque is a little higher, but again, guys, we already expected that. With the dual intakes, I think this car is going to do really well in the aftermarket scene if this vehicle is tunable. But with stock numbers, guys, in my opinion, that's just not impressive at all. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll have to see it on the street. We'll have to see some track times. Obviously, Ford knows they should not disappoint, but they are the only show on the road now. They're the only muscle cars. Are they going to exceed the expectations or just underperform? Because they have been disappointing us, but thankfully the GTD has not disappointed. I'll get to that car in a separate video because I have tons of comments, so many comments I haven't even responded to all of them, which I'm glad you guys are interacting. That's exactly what I want, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna have to step my game up, and I'll have to get back to you guys. But with this S650 Mustang, guys, we need to see the track time. That really shows improvement. Yeah, the dyno is one thing, but the thing about the dyno is there could have been any factors. We need to see the track. The dyno is just a tuning tool. It's not going to give you, oh, it's making this exactly. Plus, they didn't even do a wheel hub dyno. If you want to get the exact numbers, which it's still not going to be exact because you got to take into consideration humidity and all those other things that affect the horsepower. It would read higher with the wheel hub dyno, but guys, you got to take all that stuff into consideration. So go ahead, let me know what you think about this S650 Mustang. Are you excited? Are you keeping yours stock, or are you going to try to get yours tuned if you got it tuned? Let me know what you guys think. But I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we're definitely going to talk about this Mustang GTD. A lot of you guys, I think you guys are just a little mad that Ford's really coming out with something. Again, this is a GT3 race car that we're talking about. I'll get more into it in the next video, but don't forget about Ford versus Ferrari. Come on, if you haven't seen that movie, you need to watch that because the potential Ford has is a lot. They've already proven themselves once. So for all you European fans and just haters, and I want to be clear here that I'm not going after the European owners. I'm not. I'm talking about the Europeans / the Italian owners who are talking like, oh, Ford could never compete with the Euro cars. They could never compete with Ferrari.
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that? I don't think you guys know what you're talking about. Some of you guys in the comments section. Ford has already proven themselves. Go watch Ford versus Ferrari. Go watch that. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your man, Wo, and I'm out. Peace.